count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a bridge on wall 4 after 48 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about how that bridge happens and the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance the entire dance since it is only 6 walls long so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Cowboy Don't. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to touch our right toe next to our left, do a kick forward with our right, cross your right over your left, and then step back with your left foot. We're now going to do a right side toe strut, touching our right toe to the right side. Drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do a left crossing toe strut, touch your left toe across your right. Drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. Let's try it with some counts, touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a chassé to the right. Step our right foot side, left together, right side. You're going to rock your left foot back behind your right and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do a weave quarter turn, stepping our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left, and then step forward with your right to face 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, crossed over your right. You're doing your chassé to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left heel grind, taking our left heel, placing it forward with our toes pointed to the right. You're going to put your weight onto your left heel and swivel your toes from right to left. Then recover back onto your right foot. Rock back with your left, recover onto your right, and then we're going to do 2 half pivots. Stepping forward with our left foot, you're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to make another half pivot, stepping forward with your left foot, make that half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to return to 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to step our left foot to the left side, cross our right behind our left, and then you're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right foot. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the side, cross your left over your right, and scuff your right heel forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our right foot, you're stepping your left foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to do a right crossing toe strut. So you're going to take your right toe, cross it over your left, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to do a quarter turn over your right shoulder, doing a back toe strut with your left, touching that left toe back, making that quarter turn over your right shoulder. Drop your left heel. You're now facing 12 o'clock. You're going to do side touches, stepping our right foot to the right side, touch your left, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You just scuffed your right heel, doing your crossing toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, you're going to do a double heel tap forward with your right. Take your right heel, place it forward, slightly bend your right knee up, and then place your right heel back down. We're going to do heel switches, quickly stepping our right foot next to our left. Place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right and place your right heel forward. You're now going to step down onto your right foot and you're going to bump your hip twice forward to the right. Then you're going to step down onto your left and bump your hip twice back to the left. Bump, bump. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On wall 3, on those heel switches, you want to kind of do them with some emphasis. So you really want to go heel, and you can kind of make some noise. The music will allow for you to do that. Section 7, we're going to do a grapevine to the right with a point. So we're going to step our right foot, side, left behind, right side. And you're going to point your left toe to the left side, slightly angling your body to the right. We're now going to do a rolling vine with a scuff. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping down with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, and you're going to scuff your right heel forward. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 1/8 turning jazz boxes. So we're going to cross our right over our left, Step back with your left. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 130, and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that, cross our right over our left, step back with your left, make a 1/8 turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then step your left next to your right, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just scuffed our right heel, you're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to do touch, kick, and start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're touching that right toe next to your left. Touch, kick, cross, back, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, recover, weave, quarter turn with a step forward, left heel, grind, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, side, behind, side, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, scuff, cross toe, strut, quarter back toe, strut, step, side, touch, heel, heel, step, heel, bump, right twice, bump, left twice, grapevine, side, behind, side point, rolling, grapevine with a scuff, jazz box 1/8 turn, jazz box 1/8 turn, facing 3 o'clock, ready to start over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're touching that right foot next to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, wall 3, you have that emphasized heel switches that you can do to fit the music. On wall 4, you'll be starting facing 9 o'clock. We're going to dance the first 48 counts, which is up to your heel, heel, step, heel, and your hip bumps. Then we're going to add a bridge. The bridge is just repeating the heel section with our hip bumps again, and then you will continue the dance on from the next section of the dance. So let's dance up to that part, and then we're going to do section 6 twice, and then continue on to section 7 and 8 to finish that wall. So weight is on your left foot. You're doing your touch, kick, cross, back, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, recover, side behind, quarter forward, heel, grind, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, side behind, side rock, recover, behind, side, cross, scuff, cross toe, strut, quarter back toe, strut, side touch, now your heel, heel, step, heel, bump, hip, right, then left. Now we're going to repeat section 6, which is our heel, heel, step, heel, bump, hip, right, and left. Now you're going to continue the dance from the grapevine, side, behind, side point, rolling, grapevine with a scuff, jazz box 1/8 turn, jazz box 1/8 turn. And then you're ready to dance the rest of the dance through. So a bridge is just adding some steps into the dance so it stays on rhythm for the remainder of it because it has some extra counts inside of the section. So now you will dance wall 5. Wall 6 is our final section of the dance. You are going to dance up to 48 counts, which is both hip bumps, and then all you're going to do is make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face the front, and that is the end of the dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance the bridge and the ending since it is only 6 walls long. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your touch, kick, cross, back, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, recover, side behind, quarter forward, left heel, grind, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, side behind, side rock, recover, behind, side, cross, scuff, cross toe, strut, quarter back toe, strut, side touch, heel, right, step, heel, bump, hip, right, and left grapevine, side behind side point, rolling grapevine with a scuff. Jazz box 1/8 turn, jazz bass 1/8 turn. Now touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, kick, cross, back, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut. Side chasse, rock back, recover, weave, quarter turn. Left heel, grind, rock back, recover, step, half pivots. Side behind side, rock, recover, behind side, cross scuff, cross toe strut, quarter back toe strut, side touch, heel, heel, heel step, heel bump, hip right and left, grapevine, side behind side point, rolling grapevine with a scuff. Jazz box 1/8 turn, jazz box 1/8 turn. This is our bridge wall. You're dancing 48 counts and then repeating section 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat it. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, kick, cross, back, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut. Side chasse, rock back, recover. Side behind, quarter forward. Left heel, grind, rock back, recover. Step, half pivots. Side behind side, rock, recover, behind side, cross, scuff, toe, strut, quarter toe, strut, side touch. Now you're doing your heel, heel step, heel bump, hip, and hip, grapevine, side behind side point, rolling grapevine with a scuff. Jazz box 1/8 turn, jazz box 1/8 turn. This is wall 6. We're going to dance 48 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the side. And that is the end of the dance. I hope this helps you learn Cowboy Don't. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.